Well, hey guys, if you're looking for a new grill scraper, this is one I highly recommend you check out. I really like this one. You can see easy. It just has, great grips and stuff like that. You've seen these before, but a cool thing I do like about this is it has this little mesh option right here. It's also not made of like prongs or any type of metal things that'll get stuck on your grill. You guys know you've probably grilled and then you've cleaned with stuff before, and then you see like little pieces of metal that could be dangerous. And so this way, again, you have one of these, it's not going to leave these little marks. And all you're going to do is just grab this. They have different kind of things you can put in there and do different stuff, but all you're going to do simply just put that on there and just wipe it back and forth. And it's really cool because it actually wipes all around there. I'm going to show you a little bit closer what this actually looks like here in just a second. So here you can see the grill. I mean, super easy right there. And as you can see, it wraps around there, so it's getting on both sides. Really easy to do that. And it's great because it works on all sizes. So you can see these are the smaller kind of options here. But if you have larger ones, it does the same, and it is getting it super clean. Works really well, and even goes on these, like the grates that come across as well. So it just goes right over them. Really nice on that. Really cool and super easy right there. Like I said, whatever you're using, you got a couple extra you need to get in there. Again, it'll get in there and get it dirty and knock it out. So super easy to use that. I did want to show you just a little bit closer what that looks like. You can just see that in there a little bit closer. Super easy. You can use it on either side, but it wraps around like I was saying. So it's nice. So it wraps around, these little bars. So it's going to get all the sides and not just the top. So it's nice on that. So again, you get it nice and clean, and there's no, dangerous little messy pieces of metal anywhere. So overall, it's super easy to use, really easy. All you have to do is grab it, wipe it on there, and then you are good to go. I think if you are in the market for some type of new grill brush, this is one I highly recommend you check out. Super easy to use, very safe, and super, fast. It's right there. You saw I did that probably in like 1 minute, got everything clean, ready to go for my next grill. And like I said, I really like it because it's really nice and nothing's, gonna be left into your grill. So if you are interested, I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there. But thanks so much for watching. You can check out another grill video right here, and I'll see you over there.